Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and today we're going to be unboxing the JL Audio M6 10-inch infinite baffle subwoofer. This is the white sport grill model. This sub is offered in a titanium gunmetal gray in the sport grill, as well as a classic white variant. There's also a luxe version, which will give you a nice mesh recessed finish, very thin profile to it. When you open up the box, you're gonna get your warranty information card, some stickers, manual, under that, a divider. As soon as you open up that, you will have your mounting hardware, and then you will have the subwoofer itself. It is wrapped in a nice cloth to protect the finish. This is the non-lighted version as well. These are also offered with LED RGB lighting. This is sport grill. Get a nice open mesh face. I'll show you the grill is removable. Have a nice JL Audio badge here. The 10-inch subwoofer. Large magnet on the back, audio connections here, and if you had the LED version, you would have a pigtail coming off for your RGB and power. This subwoofer has I believe it's 6-inch mounting depth. It's got some weight to it at over 12 pounds, and floating right behind me will be a bunch of the actual power specs of the woofer itself and mechanical Q and efficiency. It does have an RMS of 250. Recommended power will be 75 to 250 on this. A lot of people power with a 601 and give it 300 watts. It is a very well built subwoofer. You can find the link to this product below. And I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine. Thanks for watching.